This is how to take a screenshot on your iPhone. On the sides, we have some buttons. We have volume up and volume down, and we have the big button over here. Press the volume up button and the big button down at the same time. You'll see the screen flash, little widget appears in the bottom left. Tap on it, and that's your screenshot. If you don't tap on it in time, it will disappear and go to your Photos app. I'll show you that in just a minute. Once you have this screenshot on here, you can do lots of things. You see these borders that are kind of dashed? You can tap and drag any one of those to shrink your screenshot, or crop it is the fancy word for that. So you can have a screenshot of just this section if you want, or even just these two apps, just the time. You get the idea. You can also tap on this pencil. You have options to color on it. Let's change the color to a nice yellow. There we go. Press the X. Now we have a yellow pencil here, and we can choose the opacity, the size of the pencil tip, and just start drawing on our image. Pretty sweet. You can also erase. If you don't like what you drew, you can erase it. So once we have this image customized exactly how we want it, we can tap the check mark. Then it will save this image to the Photos app on our phone. We can also tap the share button, and we can send it to any of our contacts, airdrop it to ourselves. We can send it to various social medias that are on your phone. I only have Instagram showing up on mine. There's ChatGPT, Canva, ClickUp, and any apps that can integrate with the sharing feature, you can send this screenshot to. That's pretty slick. So I'm going to come out of here. I'm just going to tap this checkbox, choose Save to Photos. So you can also save to Files, Save to Quick Note, Copy and delete screenshot. I'm going to save to Photos, because this is what would happen if you took a screenshot and just disappeared. I'll show you what I mean. Let's take another one. We see it goes down to the bottom. We're not going to tap it, but in a few seconds it's going to disappear. Gone. Now if we go to the Photos app, this is the one we edited a moment ago with the yellow line on it. This is the one we took just now that we allowed to disappear. It just shows up in your photos. So that's how you take a screenshot with your iPhone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to set any song as a ringtone on your phone. Super cool video. Check that out, and I'll see you there.